Good morning friends. Today I am going to discuss about overview of the central and peripheral nervous system. This is the essence or short form of the central and peripheral nervous system. In this diagram you see brain, cranial nerves, spinal cords, autonomic nervous system with ganglia, spinal nerves in lower extremities. So here component of central nervous system and peripheral nervous systems are: in central nervous systems, brain and spinal cords, and in peripheral nervous systems, cranial nerves, autonomic nervous system ganglia, and spinal nerves. The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Already you see in diagram, the brain consists of or formed by forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Our parts of brain is forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Brain and spinal cords are made up of grey and white matter. Brains and spinal cords are made of grey and white matter. The central nervous system is surrounded by or covered by or protected by three meninges that is made up of three layers: pia mater, arachnoid and dura mater, which protects from external injury. Hindbrain made up of medulla, pons and cerebellum. Hindbrain made up of medulla, pons and cerebellum. The forebrain consists of diencephalon and cerebrum. Diencephalon and cerebrum. The midbrain joins the forebrain and hindbrain. So, in brain, forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain consists diencephalon and cerebrum. Hindbrain consists medulla, pons and cerebellum. Midbrain joins the forebrain and hindbrain. Each cerebral hemisphere presents three surfaces, namely superolateral, medial and inferior. Each surface is covered by a cortex which shows a large number of sulci and gyrus. In diagram of brain, you will see depressed and elevated area or structures. So depressed area is called sulcus, and elevated area or structures are called gyri or gyrus. Each hemisphere, means right or left hemisphere, has a central core of white matter. Many large collections of grey matter are present within white matter and are referred as to nuclei. So, what is nuclei? The brain contains many large cavities called ventricles. Inside brain, many large cavities or empty space present called ventricles, that is lateral ventricles, third ventricles and fourth ventricles. So in ventricular system of brain, you already learn about lateral ventricles, third ventricles and fourth ventricles. The peripheral nervous system consists of 12 pair of cranial and 31 pair of spinal nerve. Peripheral nervous system contains 12 pair of cranial nerve and 31 pair of spinal nerve. Sensory ganglia are a collection of nerves in association with cranial and spinal nerve. Autonomic ganglia are classified as sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic ganglia are located in the sympathetic trunk, while parasympathetic ganglia are located close to the organ they supply. In this way, we see a review or a summary of central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. If you have any doubt, you give in comments or write in comments, which is further improved by me. Like, share and subscribe. This video is useful for all branches of medical science, nursing, paramedicals, pharmacy and physiotherapy, including BPED and biology, teacher as well as student. So thank you. Like, share and subscribe.